changing the lure. This is like my fourth lure. It's like my fourth lure change. Well, go deep as you can be. Huh? Who? Mukunui. Oh, right there. Blow-ups. Oh. Ah, small one. Here, Jordan, you like fight on? Nah, fight on, bro. You sure? You sure? Oh, shoot. About a wave. Right there. Big one or small? Not bad size. Right there. Ah. Yeah, not bad.
Not bad. Good quality.
Well, I swear, this pole does auto work.
Does auto work. Oh, look at that pole. Yeah, good one. Nice one.
Oh. It's Mukunui.
Oh, you just changed to it?
Yeah. You know what happened? I hooked up on the akule because the thing was so light.
Oh. Oh, and then it got heavy after.
Where he went? Oh. Not bad.
Bad. Good.
Oh. Yeah, the hook set's not that bad. Solid. $14K Saltiga with the gorilla. Oh, snappers. Oh, solid hook set, bro. I can go with big boy setup today. Stay running. My braid is at 65. And my mono's at, my leader line's at 130. Smaller lure. Smaller lure today. I got one decent size. Whew. One big, I would say like one 20, 23, 25 maybe. Some decent sized fish, bro. Nice. Shoot. Oh, this thing went scrap. Ugh. Right at the blow up. Right at the blow up. I think I'd hook up like one akule or something because it was light. And then all of a sudden, just the weight just went drop. Then I just started cranking. Really, the pole really does do all the work. I'm telling you, the pole does all the work. They're real too, though. Sometimes good gear gonna help you, or not gonna help you, gonna help you already. Gonna help you big time. Oh shucks, bro. Solid fish. I just like that guy over there catch, bro. I always like him catch. I told him fight him for me. But I understand. He'll get him. He hit the whole year. Huggy Master don't catch, bro. I tell you that right now, folks. But that's the lure. Mukunui. Let's like weigh this bugger. Oh, right there, Jordan! Come on, double hook up for today. Going up like crazy. Well, let's see. Oh, perfect, bro. Right on the money. You see this? 25-pounder. Right on. Right on. Solid fish. To get the meat as fresh as possible. You know, I got bunked the head and bleed them already. to get all of that out of there, get all that stress, so he's not just sitting there dying, you know, kind of. I just stab him right here. Go in, and I go along here, cut its throat. And there you go. Bugger is blooded. How do you work this? Oh! Oh! Hooked up! I got hit! I got hit! I got hit! Go, Jordan! There she is. Beautiful. Realistic. All the ones in sample. Bro, I got whacked with this one. New goal is try to catch off one of these. But this lure caught so much already. Like three, I think 3 or 4. Should retire them, yeah. Oh, look at this beaut. What a beaut. What a fish. What a lure. Well, that's our end to this journey. This monster of one fish, bro. Oh. Woo. Nice lure. But yeah. Till next one. I'm itching for some red, so let's see what's in store. What's next? Catch you guys next time. Thank you for embarking with me on this journey. But part of the journey is the end. Aloha.